Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive.
What's going on, guys? I just got a call from Chris. We're going to be working on his Civic today. It's a 94 Civic DX, just like mine. We're going to be pulling the dash out of it, getting all the air box, the HVAC box out of it.
Listen closer.
Oh. Sorry, sir, it was loud. But yeah, we're going to get the dash out of it. Go through a little step-by-step on how to get it pulled. It should be pretty quick. But see you when we get to Chris's house.
Rowdy as they come, proud of where we from. It might be the middle of nowhere to some, but they ain't gotta like it, and we don't give a damn, cause we ain't gonna change round here, it's a way of life. Hitting them back roads, round with my kinfolk, ain't much change, we stay.
So we're at Chris's house. What are you doing tonight?
Finally working on my car.
We're gonna finally work on his Civic. Finally. What we're gonna do, pull the dash?
Pull the dash, pull the wiring out of it, possibly pull the tank out of it and all the fuel lines. Depends how far we get tonight.
Oh, we're going that far?
Depends. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
See what happens. Right now, Chris is cooking up some burgers.
Some burgers.
He just got back from the store.
We're gonna feed the kids, feed the family, and then get to work.
So we'll pick back up when we are tearing the dash apart or something. Chris is messing up the burgers right now.
I lost one down in there.
Oh,
I lost one. I need
dude.
the plate. I lost. I'm not eating now.
Dude.
I lost one.
He lost it down.
It's in there.
Oh, it's in there, dude.
I think Sierra likes her cut burnt.
No kidding, dude.
I want to see Dad.
Yeah,
They're not bad. Mine's down there.
well, you're only gonna have one?
Apparently. One's gonna have two.
So
Hey, go put the chair back.
Chris is definitely not a chef when it comes to burgers. You can make a mean steak, though.
I can make a mean steak.
Chris is over here trying to smack me with french fries. So he said. Ah. Jackass.
Now.
Oh, you got a 3/10 now?
Yeah.
Chris is over here trying to find a 14.
Well, I got, lots of money worth of tools at work, but...
Who's calling you? We're not in the video. Anyways, Chris had a phone call, so we're looking for a 14 millimeter.
It's a 13.
God dang it, Chris. Who are you calling?
That person back.
Oh my goodness. So Chris is trying to still find a 14, but he's on the freaking phone.
But, alrighty then, I'll,
Finally he finds
Hey,
him.
yeah, you too, buddy.
Still on the phone, though.
Well, later.
Who was that?
I don't know. I tried to call Curtis to get a price on spokes for my pit bike, and apparently I either dialed his number wrong or Curtis doesn't have that number anymore. And there was a guy named Chris at Coos Bay. Super cool guy.
Chris is over here trying to call other Chris's. Doesn't work out
I
very
just
well.
want to hang out.
Alright, so right now, getting ready to pull the dash out of this thing. So, pretty self-going right now. Just got to pull the plastics down. Get the center console like Chris just got there. Jeez. Dude, that's some fresh paint back there. Watch yourself.
It's gotta get ground down when I put the fuel stove in.
But, so we're going to get all these plastic pieces out. Got to get the airbag out of it. Got to get the center heat vent out. Chris is working on the center vent. We got to drop the steering wheel down.
The whole column's gotta come out.
Because you're going to cut it, huh?
Yeah, I'm cutting
Yeah,
all the brackets off.
That's right. Like, there's a bunch of stuff we can do to this thing right now while we're waiting on motor to come in and whatnot. But as you guys, most of you guys know that work on 92, 95 Civics, there's a bolt under the center vent on the top of the dash. There's two down here. There's one on the side, on each side, and then just feeding the wiring through. And then you gotta take the airbag out because there's a bolt back there too. Right now Chris is undoing the wiring for the cigarette lighter. We don't need any of that stuff because he's going, dude, you should have just undid it here.
I didn't see the steering wheel. Dude, look at that.
Oh yeah, we'll go through it all. we're gonna go through this whole thing, get it all race car ready. So catch back up with you. We're getting ready to pull the dash out.
For anybody wondering why in the IFO video Lauren was complaining about the tack being 1,000 off and saying thanks Chris, is because it came out of right there. So
Here, take your side thing out.
I didn't know that it was, so can't blame me.
Alright, so we got the center of the dash out, the bolt behind the dash, the end of the dashes, the center down below, on the other end for that center bolt, or that dash bolt. Chris is working on... Yes, I do have 12. Chris is working on getting the column down, but as you can see, the dash is loose. She's ready to come out. We've been putting this off for how long? Months.
April.
Since April. April, guys. We'll pick back up. Alright, so we're getting ready to drop the steering wheel out of this thing. Did you get the bolt on the rack? No. It's a 10 millimeter.
No, there's a fucking...
Just rip that out of there. You don't need that.
I'm working on it.
Just pull on it. Pull on it. Come on, be a man. There you go.
Turn it.
Like,
The other way. Keep going. Stop.
Chris is gonna get the bolt out of the column here.
Out of the coolant.
You got it at a yard sale.
No, I got that from work.
Oh, you got that from work?
Yeah, the guy was quitting.
Oh.
And I bought his tool cart from him for $50.
Oh God.
And that was one of the things included.
Chris is trying to get down there. Yeah, he's got most of his sound deadening out already. The car came like that. There you go. So now you should be able to. You got to drop it down and then. Did you get the metal bar out of the way?
No, I don't think so.
Oh yeah, you got to take that bar out of there.
Oh, this thing?
Yep. It should be 3 10 millimeters. Or maybe 12s. I can't remember. This is just stuff that you don't need.
Got it.
Got it. Alright, now. That. There you go. Steering column's out of the car. So basically, for people that haven't done this before, when you take the steering column out, there's 2 14 millimeter nuts, 2 12 millimeter bolts that hold this together, and there's 1 10 millimeter bolt that runs through the steering rack with a little hex joint down there. Oh man, I almost got killed by a freaking socket.
Want to explain what you're doing?
I'm trying to get the airbag out, but it's being a pain in the butt. Yeah, and me being a big guy is not good.
Oh. Careful there, bucko. Oh. We got to reuse that part. When you're not going to reuse the heater stuff and all that, you kind of just break it out like that. So I left, go take care of my kid real fast, and I came back and Lauren is like done not working. Like, what are you doing, dude?
Oh, you ready for this?
Yeah. What?
It's just that easy.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we got the dash out. We're gonna start taking every ounce of everything, literally everything out of this car.
Everything but dash bar, basically.
Dash bar's coming out too. For now.
It's got to come out for the...
Yeah, it's got to all come out for the heater box, the HVAC box. But literally, we're going to unplug all this wiring that's in the car. It's all coming out because Chris is going full race car. So we got some bolts on the outside here. You need to cut it.
I need to cut it.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes to save the... Oh, wow, that was impressive. Oh, there we go.
Now we should... No, you think the clamps will go through the firewall?
Take the clamps off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, back again.
We'll be right back after this quick plier grab. Alright, we're back. Get the clamps off.
Nice about rusty pliers.
They just hold themselves.
They just hold
dude.
themselves.
They just hold themselves.
Ow!
How'd that feel? I got that on tape too.
Fantastic.
So we just got to get the clamps off so we can get everything through the firewall. Just got to undo the hot cold lever off of the bracket for the water neck. And Chris is just going to cut it. He's taking the... You just need to cut it to heart. Sometimes he's a little dangerous with a knife. See, he's like a fucking Neanderthal. Come on, cut it.
It's like right there, dude.
There you go. Alright, now we can pull the heater box.
Yeah.
There's the blower motor. There's not even a blower motor in there.
Nope. Boom.
Alright, so we got the heater box, the AC condenser, all that stuff out, the blower motor. So now we can focus on getting the little mat that goes, the firewall blanket, get that out of there. We don't need that anymore.
All the SRS wiring,
Yeah,
work
we'll get the
module.
Wiring out of there, little brackets and chingaderises that we don't need.
Pull the wiring back in because the bay is getting stripped completely and painted.
Yep. We'll pull the wiring back in, then we'll put the column back in the car so we can steer it left or right and whatnot.
Once I get my brakes
Yeah, you gotta get some brakes.
and suspension. Yeah. I need suspension still.
We gotta put that bracket on for the trans mount.
Yeah. All of it.
Other than that, the car's coming together slowly but surely.
Step by step. That's all it is. So.
When you guys do this at home, if you're gonna do this like make a race car or anything, or deleting the heater core or something in your car, if you have a Civic like this, we learned that there's a 12mm bolt on the outside in the firewall, on the engine bay, that you gotta take out. As you can see, yeah, mine didn't have that, but as you can see, we kind of broke his AC condenser heater core area. So
I think it was gonna get used anyway.
So beware, if you are replacing your heater core, there is a bolt in the firewall that you have to take out or you will break the box.
Right next, so with the two hoses here, like the 12 is sitting right here. And if you have someone wiggle the box, it'll wiggle the stud. So you'll be able to see it.
So it's just a stud and a nut.
That's a stud with a nut on the back side.
Stud with a nut on the back side, guys.
So I want to go H22A closed deck block, stock head with springs and retainers, piston rod with the H2B kit with like a GSR trans, LSD, I want to go with a forward facing turbo with like a GT3582R ball bearing and lots of fuel. I got a fuel system planned out for it, so it should make upwards of 800 hopefully.
Go ahead and pop your tank. What we're going to do is we're going to put a fuel cell in here, like a 10-gallon fuel cell in here, run the lines under the car and everything, make it all legit.
Dash 8 feed.
Dash 8 feed, dash 6 return.
With a MagnaFlow 750 pump.
MagnaFlow.
So it'll have all the fuel in the
or
world,
whatever.
and I'm going to try to go with, what is it, Bosch 2200s?
Yeah, Bosch 2200 cc injectors.
It'll have all the fuel in the world to make some power, so basically I'll be limited by turbo or motor.
Turbo or motor, whichever runs out first.
Exactly.
Alright guys, so we're going to call it for the night. But we got the dash and all the heater stuff taken out, so hopefully I did a good job explaining that.
Decent enough.
Decent enough.
Hopefully. So, more to come. Stay tuned. As always, have a good day.
See you guys later.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive.